Good morning. We're in Debary today. This is Highland Country Estates, 223 Colburn. This home had a major renovation about a year ago. The home was damaged by fire, so it was rebuilt from the frame up. All new plumbing, all new electrical, and when I say all new plumbing, all new electrical, I'm talking electrical from the meter in. Everything is new. We're walking into a little over 500 square foot addition. This space is cooled by a small window air conditioner in the what used to be the shed that is now part of the addition. You have a slop sink, washer and dryer in here. The washer and dryers are staying. Behind Joe Cool over there, you have a door to the outside. No, the collection is not going with the property. Walk into the main home. We have laminate flooring. The home itself is a little over 1,100 square feet. It is a 2-2. Again, everything you see in here, appliances, cabinets, countertops, floor, ceiling, all of it, a little over a year old. So we're kind of looking at this as if it were a new home. I don't think the new homes are using 2x4s to build their interior walls, and I don't know if they're using double pane windows, but they did in this home. You have the guest bath or the common bath with a step-in shower, marble top, a rubbed bronze faucet. It's a pretty nice fit and finish in here. We have the guest bedroom. This bedroom is 13 by 13. Here's the electrical panel. Again, this is a new panel. The deco style switches. Nicely fitted kitchen. The real wood cabinets. You have a lazy Susan in both corners with plenty of storage. The dishwasher, garbage disposal, larger pantry. We come to the master suite. It's a nice sized bedroom. You could easily accommodate any modern bedroom set in here, unlike some of the older homes. Very deep closet. It's 13 by 5, the closet. In the master bath. Again, we have a step-in shower. We're on the side of the park. We're on the north side. So there are no neighbors to your front. So if you want to sit on your screen porch, you have some privacy. No, the golf cart does not convey. We have vinyl siding. Again, there's the door on the other side is Mr. Joe Cool Camel. And again, being rebuilt about a year ago, that air conditioner is a little over a year old. Really a good worry-free for probably 8 to 10 years, not having to do any maintenance other than your standard pressure cleaning. So, any questions, give me a call. 386-320-6159. Thank you.